Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the future and exploring how you can make money with ChatGPT in 2025. We're talking serious cash, people. Imagine using this AI tech to build your own business, work from anywhere, and become financially free. We're going to break down 10 killer strategies that anyone can use, so stay tuned. Let's get started. First up, freelancing. This is your golden ticket to making bank with ChatGPT. Businesses are desperate for help with content, marketing, you name it. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are packed with people using AI tools to rake in the dough. We're talking hundreds, even thousands of dollars a month, just by using ChatGPT to its full potential. Think about it. Businesses need blog posts, website copy, social media updates, the list goes on. ChatGPT can churn out this stuff in minutes, saving you hours of work. You can charge top dollar for your services and build a whole freelance empire from your laptop. And the best part? You don't need to be a tech whiz to do this. Trust me, this is just the tip of the iceberg. We've got 9 more incredible money-making methods to uncover, so keep watching. All right, let's talk content writing. Content is king, and ChatGPT is the ultimate content machine. We're talking blog posts, articles, website copy, even entire eBooks, all generated with the power of AI. And the best part? You can sell this stuff for serious cash. Think about it. A single well-written blog post can easily fetch you $50 to $100 on platforms like Fiverr. Now imagine selling 10 blog posts a week. That's $500 to $1,000 right there. You can create ebooks on hot topics like self-improvement, business, or making money online, and sell them on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. With a little creativity and some ChatGPT magic, you can build a thriving content writing business and watch your income soar. Let's face it, writing resumes and cover letters is a pain. But what if I told you there's a way to make it easy and profitable? ChatGPT can help you dominate the resume writing game. You can charge $30, $50, even $100 per resume, and offer a bundle deal that includes a resume, cover letter, and LinkedIn profile optimization. Ever wonder how businesses get those killer ads that make you want to buy everything? ChatGPT. This AI powerhouse can write some seriously persuasive ad copy that converts like crazy. We're talking Facebook ads, Google ads, email marketing campaigns, you name it. ChatGPT can analyze data, identify your target audience, and craft compelling messages that get people clicking and buying. Businesses are willing to pay top dollar for this kind of expertise. With ChatGPT by your side, you can become an ad copywriting guru, helping businesses skyrocket their sales and line your pockets with some serious cash. Want to make money on YouTube without ever showing your face? ChatGPT's got you covered. With the power of AI, you can create an entire YouTube empire without ever picking up a camera. ChatGPT can generate engaging video scripts on any topic you can imagine. Use AI voiceovers and royalty-free stock footage to bring your videos to life. Upload your videos, optimize them for search, and watch the views and ad revenue roll in. Once you've created your videos, they can continue to generate passive income for months or even years to come. Ready to become a digital product mogul? ChatGPT is your ticket to creating and selling your own line of profitable digital products. We're talking ebooks, online courses, templates. The possibilities are endless. Use ChatGPT to help you write an ebook packed with budgeting tips, investing strategies, and money-saving hacks. Sell it on platforms like Amazon Kindle, Direct Publishing, or Gumroad and watch the passive income roll in. Or create stunning social media graphics and sell them on Etsy or Creative Market. With ChatGPT as your creative partner, the sky's the limit. Here's a fun one: selling templates and printables on Etsy. People are always looking for beautiful and functional designs, and ChatGPT can help you create them in a flash. Think about it: budget planners, social media calendars, meal plans, workout trackers, the list goes on. Design these printables once and sell them over and over again, generating passive income while you sleep. With a little creativity and some ChatGPT magic, you can turn your design skills into a profitable Etsy business. Ever wonder how to unlock the true power of ChatGPT? It's all about the prompts. Think of prompts as the secret language that makes ChatGPT tick. By crafting specific and detailed prompts, you can get ChatGPT to generate incredibly valuable outputs. People are willing to pay for these expertly crafted prompts. Create bundles of prompts tailored to specific niches like marketing, copywriting, or even creative writing. Sell these prompt bundles on platforms like Gumroad or even your own website. Start experimenting with different prompts and see what amazing outputs you can create. Affiliate marketing is like having your own online store without the hassle of inventory or shipping. ChatGPT can help you take your affiliate marketing game to the next level. Partner with companies that sell products or services you love. Promote those products to your audience using unique affiliate links. Every time someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. ChatGPT can help you write compelling product reviews, create engaging social media posts, and even craft persuasive email campaigns that drive traffic to your affiliate links. Businesses need help with social media, and you can be the one to provide it. With ChatGPT as your social media manager, you can help businesses grow their online presence and rake in the cash. ChatGPT can generate engaging social media posts, schedule content, and even analyze data to optimize your social media strategy. Charge businesses a monthly retainer for your services, and as you take on more clients, your income will grow exponentially. There are many ways to make money with ChatGPT. The key is to start with one and take action. The sooner you start, the sooner you'll see results. Don't be afraid to experiment, try new things, and see what works best for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Let me know in the comments which method you're most excited to try. See you in the next video.